Ferrari. "77 years redefining the impossible. Not simply building cars, building legends that dominated circuits, shattered records, and established the absolute standard of performance and exclusivity. More Formula One victories than any other mark in history. More desire than any logo in the world. This is not a manufacturer. It is an automotive religion. This Ferrari does not begin on the road. It begins with a philosophy created in 1947, a philosophy where racing came first and luxury followed. From the beginning, Ferrari rejected mass production. Materials were chosen for performance first. Prestige came as a consequence. That mentality still defines every car today. No shortcuts, no substitutions. If the material does not meet racing standards, it does not enter the factory. And now you will see exactly how this happens. From raw aluminium to the circuits, every stage, every detail, nothing hidden. Dawn in Maranello. Lorries arrive, transporting materials that cost more than entire cars. Aerospace-grade carbon fiber, military-grade aluminum, forged titanium, hand-selected Napa leather. Each material chosen not for prestige, but for pure performance. Between 1947 and 2024, Ferrari conquered 16 constructors' titles in Formula One, more than any other team in history. That winning DNA does not stay on the circuits. It descends to every car sold. DRS technology, active suspension, computational aerodynamics, all tested at speeds above 300 kilometers per hour before reaching the client. Construction begins with the chassis, monocoque structure in carbon fiber and aluminum, light, rigid, inflexible. Tolerance is measured in microns. Errors are not corrected, they are eliminated. A twisted chassis means starting from zero. What appears perfect is still inspected for hours. Every fixing point verified manually. No machine replaces human judgment here. The chassis follows principles developed for racing. Technicians with decades of experience align each structural component. Torsional rigidity calculated to withstand lateral forces of 1.5 G without deformation. The same standard used in Formula One cars. No concessions. Now comes the heart. Each Ferrari V12 takes approximately 12 hours of manual assembly. One engine, one builder, one signature. Pistons balanced individually with maximum variation of 0.5 grams. Crankshaft forged in special steel, developed with exclusive suppliers. Titanium connecting rods. Each piece fitted with precise torque. The name engraved on the block is not marketing. It is responsibility. If that engine fails, the name is there. That changes everything. Nobody signs what they do not trust. For decades, Ferrari engines were built to win races. That same attention now defines their most exclusive cars. The result? Engines that exceed 9,000 RPM with surgical precision. Whilst traditional manufacturers automated 90% of engine assembly, Ferrari maintains 70% of the process manual. Not through nostalgia, through results. Machines are precise. Humans are responsible. Assembly continues. Suspension installed with geometry adjusted individually. Ceramic brake system dimensioned to dissipate heat above 1000 degrees Celsius. Dual clutch gearbox calibrated for shifts in 60 milliseconds. Each system tested in isolation before final integration. Ferrari design was never about trends. It was about function becoming form. Bodywork sculpted not to impress, but to generate downforce. Every curve exists for a reason. Wind tunnel validates every line. Aerodynamics tested for 400 hours before final approval. Form follows function. Always has. The interior is built bespoke. Exposed carbon fiber panels. Double stitching in leather done by hand. Colors chosen months before delivery. The steering wheel is not round for aesthetics. It is flattened below to facilitate entry and exit. The seats are not comfortable for luxury. They are sporting because the car was made to be driven. Some Ferraris take months to complete. Because perfection cannot be rushed, a rule unchanged since the early years. Ferrari produces fewer than 14,000 cars per year, deliberately. Bentley produces 15,000. Lamborghini exceeds 10,000. Porsche makes over 300,000. Ferrari could triple production tomorrow. It does not. Scarcity is not accident. It is strategy maintained for 77 years. Assembly complete. Now come the tests. Every car is inspected as if it were going to a race. Dynamometer measures power with absolute precision. Suspension tested in circuit simulators. Brakes heated to thermal limit. Electronic systems verified through 200 diagnostic points. If it fails here, it does not represent the name. Ferrari does not sell cars with problems corrected afterwards. If something is wrong, the car does not leave. Reputation built over 77 years is not risked for schedule. Enzo Ferrari refused to deliver imperfect cars. Clients waited. Some gave up. Others paid more. The queue never diminished. Fiorano Test Circuit, 2.976 kilometers around the factory. Every Ferrari runs here before delivery. Test driver accelerates to the limit. Corners taken at speeds that would reveal any imperfection. Brutal braking, violent acceleration. If it survives here, it is ready for the client. Average waiting time for a special Ferrari exceeds 18 months. For limited models like the SF90XX, it reached 3 years. Clients pay in advance. Wait without complaint. In 2023, Ferrari rejected over 1,200 purchase requests. Clients with money, clients ready to pay, rejected. The Marquis analyzes purchase history, event participation, automotive knowledge. Money opens the door. Passion for the brand decides if you enter. Ferrari never chased clients. Clients chase Ferrari. The brand does not discount, does not negotiate deadlines, does not change specifications to please. Final delivery. Client receives the key. Complete orientation on every system. No insistent salesman, no sales pitch. The Ferrari speaks for itself. Owning a Ferrari is not a purchase. It is an invitation into history. You do not buy transport. You buy legacy. You buy decades of engineering validated through victories. And then, the circuit. Engine ignited. Sound controlled, precise. Low growl that promises contained violence. Acceleration that pushes the body against the seat. 0 to 100 in under 3 seconds. Corners taken with millimetric precision. Braking that defies physics. Every component working in absolute harmony. This is not merely a car. It is decades of racing, discipline, and restraint. Still built the same way, deliberately. Whilst other brands automated everything, Ferrari maintained the human touch where it matters. Machines are precise. Humans are responsible. The combination defines the standard. And Ferrari is just one example. Rolex, Hermes, Rolls-Royce, Patek Philippe, all follow the same rules. If you want to see how other luxury objects are created, click on the playlist now. If this content added value, leave your like and subscribe to the channel to not miss the next behind the scenes of true luxury.